Hi friends! In this video, we will see whether we can wash feather pillows in the washing machine. Yes, the feather pillows can be washed in a washing machine. Feather pillows are often considered luxury pillows and made up of high-quality material that you should appropriately maintain. They are more comfortable, and the price range of these products is also higher. While people prefer giving them for dry cleaning or any other handmade cleaning services, some people are posing the washing machine's questions. They can be easily cleaned with the device's help, but specific protocols need to be followed. Understanding them will make the cleaning process more effective. Before washing the pillow using a machine, certain things or steps need to be followed. Removing the case. Every pillow is covered in a variety of covers depending upon the bed choice. But the quality of washing will be degraded when the pillow is introduced into the machine and the body. Using the pillow cover since the case will block the entry to a certain extent. Use normal water. While some people prefer using hot water to clean, feather pillows are extremely sensitive and do not go well with hot water. So when you are cleaning your feather pillow, use lukewarm or normal water, which would be the best choice. Don't go for extremely cold or hot water, which might affect the quality of the pillow. Inspector pillows. When you have been using the pillow for a long time, the chances of getting a rape is higher. So the better option is to check the entire pillow for any damages before introducing it into the machine, because even a single mistake can affect the quality of the pillow since the water will wash out all the feathers and separate the cloth material from the feathers. Always create a balance. Never single out a pillow and wash it extensively because it might affect the quality. So the better option is to use 3 or 4 or at least a pair of pillows to ensure that the drums do not affect the quality and should be loaded in a vertical position for the top load washing machine. Then, you can place it in any place you want when you are using a front load machine. Go for the most straightforward and gentle mode possible since it will be suitable for the pillow. Do not wash it more than one time because the quality will be affected. After washing, dry it in a hot place under the sun to ensure that the innermost part of the pillow is appropriately dried. Because if they are not, there might be a formation of fungus and severe infections in the future. Most people prefer using the pillow without washing, and they only alter the covers every week. But in reality, the regular pillows also need washing. This condition is because our breath is placed on the pillow during the night. So the chances of getting an infection or a fungal formation are higher. In addition, wet pillows are more dangerous when compared to other pillows. So never wet your pillow during your regular days. Also, expose your pillow to dry in the sun at least once a week. For most people, washing pillows can be an activity that is not required. But with the help of a proper detergent and antiseptic solution, they can be regularly washed in your machine and maintained for a long time. Feather pillows are more suitable for appliances, and they can be periodically placed. The above steps indicated are the standard procedures followed, and you can also add an extra perfume to make the wash more hygienic and perfect. Thanks for watching this video.